Alright.
Okay, what do you want me to camera?
Just show it around.
What size socket do you need, Russell?
Seems to be multiple. That's probably it right there. Well, there's the new dishwasher. The light went off. Let's see if we can't get it to. Nope. Oh, there it is. Cancel. Soap dispenser and how do you call that stuff? We got a big rack down here. We can make it a smaller rack for plates. Plenty of dishes or silverware spot. These little dudes flip over for small plates. It's kind of hard to see with seeing right through the wire. For large knives or wine glasses.